Hi, so what we're doing today is we're taking a look at our blocks that we went ahead and had precast for safe swap foundations. The blocks are 19 inches by 19 inches. They are about 3¼ inches tall. They weigh about 100 pounds each. And in the blocks, we have a number of inserts that we can put our threaded rods into so we don't have to epoxy anchor. So we start by taking the plugs out of the inserts. We take the threaded bolts that we get from our manufacturer. Basically, just take our regular impact wrench, set them all the way down in. All right, so we have 4 of those. We would set this block on grade on the excavated splash pad. So it would be working on the ground. Once the rods are threaded in, we just take a crescent wrench and back off the top nut. All right. Remove the washers. Loosen our all right, so we'll loosen our nuts. Okay, so all of our rods are in place. The washers are all on. The top of our rod is about 9½ inches above our block with an extension sticking out, and that makes it about 12½ inches from the top of grade. We take our safe swap. This is a safe swap number 1. It sets on top of our threaded rods. And sometimes you have to maneuver a little bit. Put our washers back on. Get our nuts started. And then use our impact to tighten things down. And there you have a safe swap number 1 mounted into your foundation block. You can check your level. Going both ways, relatively level. And this puts your safe swap approximately 12½ plus 3, about 15½ inches from the top of your grade. You would level this with your concrete. And that's it. So we have these blocks that are pre-made. They already have threaded inserts in. They fit a safe swap 1 or a safe swap 2. They're interchangeable. So as you can see, there's no forming we just set this on grade, and then we bring our threaded rods in. There's no drilling of the concrete blocks. There's no cleaning of the holes. There's no epoxy, using epoxy to anchor your threaded rods in. It's simply threading them in and setting your safe swap on top. And many times we'll pre-assemble our fittings on our safe swaps prior to setting in place.